Ever wondered how to keep your garden soil healthy and fertile? Let's introduce you to the concept of cover crops. These are plants grown primarily for the benefit of the soil rather than for crop yield. They are nature's way of providing a blanket for the soil, and they bring a myriad of benefits to your garden. They prevent soil erosion, improve soil fertility, and suppress weeds. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost your garden's health, cover crops might just be the secret weapon your garden needs. Now, how can you start using cover crops in your garden? Well, it's all about understanding your garden's needs and matching them with the right cover crop. So, first things first, you'll need to select the right cover crop for your soil and climate. For instance, if you have clay soil and live in a cooler climate, rye might be a good option. Next, you'll want to determine the correct planting season. Generally, cover crops are best planted in late summer or early fall, but this can vary depending on the crop and your specific climate. Finally, it's time to plant. You'll want to evenly distribute the seeds over your garden, making sure each seed has enough space to grow. Then lightly cover the seeds with soil. Remember, they don't need to be buried deep, just enough to protect them from the elements. And there you have it. See? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now that you know the benefits and the process, why not give it a try? Cover crops are an easy and natural method to enhance your garden's health and productivity. They enrich the soil, prevent erosion, and promote a vibrant ecosystem right in your backyard. So why wait? Let's sow the seeds of a healthier garden together. Remember, a healthy garden starts with healthy soil. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!